What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the language of your Steam client. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. Open the client and click on Steam in the upper left corner of this window to access your Steam client settings. This works for Windows, Linux, and macOS. On the Settings window, head to the Interface section. Here, you can see the language settings and a drop-down menu where you can select the language you wish to use. After clicking OK, your language choice will be confirmed and the Steam client will restart. Once the restart is done, your newly selected language will be displayed, and you will be able to use Steam and Valve games in the language you selected. If you have games installed that support the language you selected, then files for that language may need to be downloaded before you can play. This will depend on which game you're trying to play in your newly selected language. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.